So, hello guys, I'm not film. So this was the fire I was talking about and taking it home. Ooh, baby. Ooh, got some foul marks on it, some beach. That was the inside. Normal. I think those are the mold. But yeah, washing machine. This is actually glass that I kind of want. The main goal of this is to get mold out of here. The thing that spins it. That is really heavy. Look at the spin. What the point is this? And what the old is that? Let's continue. Yeah, so cardboard. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Did I just wait for ET? I invented this. Oh, you don't know the design for hide a difference. Yeah, that is also what the dryer looks like. I believe my parents got this out of hell. I still leave it from. I'm not moving into my own house and I go to college. But yeah, that was the back side. The motor of the control unit. I'll be taking that apart. I'll be taking this lid off. It's amazing. God, house supply into. I'm not so if this actually has a power supply in here. Yeah, that right there. The old cords right there. Water's still in them. Ah, there's a writing diagram. I never knew that. Neat. How cool. Oh, those noise fits me again, people. Nice. So yeah, that's it. Like the full opening also. My pencil fell off. A little bug on my screen. Put it before opening the also move the sipped bolts down if they not remove makes a noise ever from my result. Interesting. But something else. Yeah, I can kind of get a good looking down. Not good though. You can also see the insides, in the insides of the washer on the bottom, but that's pretty heavy. It's heavier than the new one. Ow. Yeah, that's pretty heavy. Like, what do you expect that though? Also, I think this was from a Roblox game I played. Is this, yeah, this is a also. And look, nice. That's. It even has a pre-boss with title lock on it. Funny. Anyways, that's it. Bye-bye.